Have you ever pondered the origins of the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell? What if I told you they were once independent bacteria that struck a mutually beneficial deal with primitive cells? A captivating idea, isn't it? This is the cornerstone of the endosymbiotic theory, a fascinating chapter in the annals of evolutionary biology. The endosymbiotic theory proposes an intriguing idea. Mitochondria, and also chloroplasts in plant cells, were free-living bacteria that entered into a symbiotic relationship with the ancestors of today's eukaryotic cells. Rather than being expelled or digested, these bacteria offered certain advantages to their host and gradually became permanent residents. Several compelling pieces of evidence support this theory. First, mitochondria possess their own DNA, which is circular, much like bacterial DNA, and bears more similarity to bacterial DNA than to the DNA of eukaryotic cells. Second, the ribosomes in mitochondria look strikingly similar to bacterial ribosomes in terms of size and structure. Third, mitochondria replicate by binary fission, much like bacteria, and not through the cell cycle processes used by eukaryotic cells. Lastly, mitochondria have two membranes, which the theory suggests originated from the engulfing eukaryotic cell and the bacterial ancestor. So, how did this remarkable event transpire? The theory suggests that a larger ancestral eukaryotic cell engulfed a smaller aerobic bacterium. The bacterium, rather than being consumed, started living inside the host cell. The host cell provided a safe, nutrient-rich environment, and in return, the bacterium provided the host cell with ATP, a vital energy molecule, through its efficient aerobic respiration. Over time, this interdependence evolved into a single, more complex eukaryotic cell. This symbiotic relationship conferred several evolutionary benefits. The most significant of these is the capacity for efficient aerobic respiration, enabling eukaryotic cells to produce far more ATP than their prokaryotic counterparts. In a similar vein, chloroplasts in plant cells, the organelles that facilitate photosynthesis, are believed to have originated from engulfed photosynthetic bacteria, specifically cyanobacteria. In essence, the endosymbiotic theory offers a captivating insight into the evolutionary mechanisms that have, over billions of years, fostered life's diversity and functionality on Earth. It underlines how cooperation, even at the cellular level, can drive complexity and adaptation, painting a vivid picture of our biological heritage. This video was scripted, voiced and edited completely by AI, including all the in-depth analysis and reasoning. Almost no human intervention, except for this acknowledgement. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all new videos. Until the next time, goodbye.